What a beautiful day to begin with. Thank you so much for being with us. And today I'm going to review recently released a Telugu movie Akshara. The story revolves around a girl. Now she has become a teacher and she is from a poor family, brought up by her mother. And after so much hard work, she has grabbed the job, and now she is recently transferred to one of the prominent and prestigious college. So before moving with further plot or any twist or synopsis that I really wanted to reveal, and let's talk about our educational system. Akshara talks about most of the flaws in our contemporary corporate educational system that's happening. In some parts of the world, especially in Asia or even abroad or wherever. Recently, I just watched also the Operation Varsity Blues, Varsity Blues, or whatever it is. It's about like a college admission scandal. The problem in our system is that we are not creating more intellectuals. Rather, we are just giving them a piece of paper where they just need to show to the corporate world, companies or anyone to grab a job. And it happens most of the time. If someone is studied from Harvard or someone studied from prestigious top ranked university, they just have to write their name in their resume and definitely they will grab a job without any experience sometimes even. So that's what the Akshara wanted to highlight in a mild emotional thriller way, that the things need to change. And at the beginning of the movie you can see also there is a girl fell from the top floor. It happens in our system that even it's not about the educational system, it's the problem of the parents also, that they have pressured so much like a pressure cooker that the children, their brains could burst. So that happens with them, that they cannot handle the pressure at the very what is that tender age. And that's our system that we have developed right now, because we are always thinking in a conventional way that, oh, our son has to be a doctor, engineer, or blah blah blah. That's how the things will work. Other if and even the marks and grades and all this, they matter the most. Why you didn't do that, why you didn't. So there is always, we don't need to see our own result card, but we just wanted to see our children's result card much better than ours. Why we have to force them? So if somebody is interested in the arts, let them do that one instead of forcing them to be engineer or doctor or something. That it happened because I recently talked to someone, and not to reveal the gender of the person, that said that I didn't want to be a doctor, but that was given to me by my parents. And now getting that all the practical and everything, once I got kids, I have no interest of doing this, because the system that we Asians have developed it. Okay, you have to study, you have to get a good job, then you have to get married. So there is no slot available for work, and even if there is a work, then there is a pressure, or you are getting old when you are going to get married. So let's talk about Akshara. She suddenly goes to one college, and there is teacher Teja Siri. He is very involved in her, and on the day that he wanted to propose her, he suddenly died. Why he was killed or why he died very quickly is all about Akshara. The first half of the movie is more, they just wanted to add intentionally the comedy scenes to drag the first half. But the first half, even if it is dull and dry, the second half will bring a very good emotional ending notes, and you have to really watch this one and you will really enjoy it, why the things happen and what are the motives behind, and all the key roles given to the people around that. You will see them unfolded one by one, and you will see that why the things happen. And moreover, the press conference scene was also very good also. Her acting was very good. No matter, sometimes the story writers, so they just add all those comedy, but just to create a little a spice of fun and humor. I hope you will really enjoy it, and always right now really everyone needs reskilling, and the reskilling is not about specific jobs, but there are plenty of other jobs that are really relevant for our kids, our families, and friends. So always support them, always be kind to each other, and always, the birds are flying here. It's good, beautiful. And these are the things that you will really enjoy. So kindly like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more notifications. Any Telugu, Kannada, Malayalam, or any South movie, because they have a good plot and it's good to know cross cultural things. Thank you so much for bearing me, and I have a great week. Bye bye.